In my first year as a TikTok Shop affiliate, I made over $100,000 in pure profit. And in today's video, I want to answer this question. What is the real cost to become a TikTok Shop affiliate? So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's get into it. So let's cut the fluff and BS and dive into the actual cost to become a TikTok affiliate. As you can see, we've got my whiteboard that maps out 1, 2, 3. There are 3 options to actually get started. And under each option, we're going to be covering the actual cost. And then not only that, but the time it's going to take to get the results or actually start making money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So we're going to go over each of the 3. And as we go through, you will better understand what's going to be the best fit for you and how you want to start. So starting off with number 1, this is where you can technically become a TikTok Shop affiliate completely free. It does not require any cost to get a TikTok account. It doesn't require any capital to apply for the program. Once you become eligible, you literally apply and you can start making videos right away. You can make videos about products that you already own at your house. So this is a great alternative or a great option for those that don't have any money, because again, you can start with $0. There's no business that I have seen where you can start from nothing and start making money in as little as 4 months. So that's the time period that I'm going to put on option number 1 is, yes, it's completely free to start, but there's going to be some learning. There's going to be that learning curve of 4+ months before you start getting results. And the bulk of the 4+ months is actually getting a TikTok account unlocked. So in order to become a TikTok affiliate, you need to have an account with over 5,000 followers or an account with 1,000 and get a direct invite from TikTok into what's called their pilot program. Now the pilot program is limited where you can only do a certain amount of videos per week, and it's just not that great to scale up. So you may have 1,000 followers, but it's going to take a minute and it's going to take 3+ months for you to get over that 5,000 follower mark to then unlock the unlimited features to where you can actually start making money. So that's why I put 4+ months. Is it's going to be about 3 months to grow organically. And then if you're going the option of free, where you are just reviewing and starting with products that you already have around your house, it's going to take probably a month to build up your account to get the credibility to where then you can start getting free samples, which I'm going to be talking about in step 2 or option 2 and 3, where you can actually strategically buy the best products and it will get you results a little bit quicker. So there is a startup cost on these other 2 options. But technically speaking, you can start completely free. It's just going to take a little bit more time. Now, if you already have an account that's completely unlocked, then this time of 4+ months is going to get cut to about 1 month. And then there's that learning curve of understanding how to film videos, what to look for, what actually works, what doesn't, and what products are going to perform the best. So that is the first option. And to be honest, it's a fantastic option, but option 2 and 3, I think are actually going to be a little bit better, which I'm going to be breaking down. So let's dive into option number 2, which is $200. That's still a very little amount of money, which is crazy to even think about, and 3+ months. So you shave off an entire month. And that is where the $200 comes into play. So instead of starting for free, you're going to invest $40 for a software tool, which I use and recommend. So I have a ton of videos on the channel where I show you how to actually find and strategically buy the best products that are most likely to go viral. And that's going to cost $40 a month. And then the other $150, $160 is going to go to the actual cost of the product. So you are going to buy the products up front. Now, the good news with this is once you buy the products up front, you can do a ton of videos on those products. And then once you review and make videos on those products, you will then qualify for free samples. Brands will start sending you free products. And then from there, there's no additional costs. So $200 is very, very realistic. And this is what I recommend for the vast majority of everyone to start, is to have at least $200. And if you don't, you got to do something about that, because like $200 is not that much to start an insane business where, again, in the last 3 months, I've done over $60,000. My first year, I did $100,000 in pure profit. So the opportunity is absolutely insane. So $200 is very, very little in comparison to other businesses. I've started other businesses where I've launched products that's cost me $20,000, $30,000. I've launched software companies that's cost $200,000 plus, and I didn't even get a return on my investment. I've done real estate deals that have cost 6 figures plus. It's just a slow investment compared to my TikTok account, where essentially I started with nothing and 6 figures in my first year. So the potential is insane. Now, the time, I say 3 months, and it's 1 month less than this one. because you are buying the inventory. And the quicker that you can get these awesome viral products, the more chances you have to go viral, the more chances you have to work with other brands, and just the more likely you're going to scale up to that next level. And before we dive into option 3, I just want to give you guys a real life example of a student of ours that falls in between option 1 and 2. He's inside of what's called our Reviewer Champions School community group. We have over 4,000 members. We charge only $5 per month, so technically it's not free. It's $5, and it's not quite 200, so it's kind of in between there. And he went through our programs. We show you guys how to grow from scratch. We show you how to actually find these products. We show you literally the entire A to Z process for only $5 per month. And right here, as you can see, I'll put up a screenshot. His name is Josh. He said, finally approved. This was 16 days ago. It said it took me about 2.5 months, but stuck with it and finally got approved for a TikTok Shop affiliate. So as you can see, Josh stuck it out 2.5 months. So it was around that 3 month, and he still has not made those videos and started actually making money. So again, that's where realistically around that 3 to 4 months is very, very conservative. Again, I just want to set realistic expectations because I know there's a lot of people saying, oh, you can get going right now and start making $1 million. And yes, that can be true technically. This is more realistic if you only have $200 or no budget to get started. So that is option 1 and 2, and that's going to lead into the third option, which personally is my favorite. And yes, it does require a little bit more capital, $1,000 plus, but the time period is today. So you can avoid 4 months, 3 months of work, trying to grow organically, trying to learn the entire process, and you can actually get going right now. So what we actually do is we have accounts that are completely grown organically and 100% verified for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So you can actually acquire these accounts and start making commissions literally day one. But again, the cost is a lot more than free, and it's a lot more than $200. And so if you have $1,000, you can technically get started today. And not only that, you get access to our community group and our higher level mentorship programs, where we actually show you the secret sauce of finding the viral videos, filming the viral content, and really skyrocketing your success. And I just want to show you guys a screenshot of, again, a student of ours. And there's actually 2 of them that I want to go over that followed option 3, invested a little bit of money into themselves and their business, and they literally made money their first day. So Justin right here, it was from 1 day ago. He said, made my first dollar on TikTok. Just got my account yesterday and posted 2 videos. And within 30 minutes, I had 400 views and I generated my first online dollar. Starting to think this is possible. That's insane. Literally within 2 videos, 30 minutes, boom, he already made his first dollar. So instead of, again, spending the 2.5 months that Josh spent to grow organically, he acquired an account and he was able to start right away and start making money. And then we've got another student right here, Brandon, who went with option 3 and got an account. And then again, we show high-level strategies on how to get these free products, how to create the viral content, and again, the exact step-by-step process that I'm using and implementing into my 6-figure affiliate business. And he said, got our first samples from TikTok, been posting for only 6 days. And he shows 4+ products that he got completely free. So he didn't have to spend the $200 to buy the inventory because he got them for free using our high-level strategies. So again, there's 3 different options. And what's cool is depending on your circumstance and your situation, you can start for free. You can just grind it out. Because if you don't have the money to, again, buy an account, well, then you probably have the time. And the time is what you need to have to get going, to grow organically. But just like Josh, you have to stick it out. You can't give up. That's super important. And then number 2, again, this is a fantastic option. Getting into our school group for $5 a month, investing into a $40 software, buying the products, and then scaling up, you're going to save a month. So for $200, you're basically saving a month of time. But right here, for $1,000+, you're saving 3 to 4 months. And so for me, again, depending on how you value your time and where you're at currently, you can pick which one you want. And you just have to analyze and be like, okay, do you want to start today? Do you want to start tomorrow? And for me, the opportunity cost, if I wouldn't have an account for 3 months, well, the last 3 months I made $60,000. So $60,000 compared to $1,000, I would say that's a no-brainer. So the opportunity cost for me to not have an account is $60,000, where it only costs around $1,000. So If you guys are interested in any of this information, I will put a bunch of resources in the description to, again, our school group, to learn how you can acquire these accounts. And then I have tons of free resources. And again, you guys can start for free. That's why I have the YouTube channel. That's why I have the free content. That's why I have the playlists out. I have free guides that you guys can take advantage of. So if you guys don't want to pay $5 a month for the school group, take advantage of the free content. But if you guys are like, hey, I want to start today, then we'd love to work with you. Again, we have an option for every single person, and there is no excuse for you not to make money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. It is absolutely life-changing, and it just blows my mind about the opportunity. I mean, we have students that are doing $10,000, $20,000, and even $30,000 in 30 days. Like, that's life-changing money. And the startup costs are very, very low. I come from a background of doing software and launching e-com products. I wish I could launch those businesses for $1,000, but it's just not realistic. I'm spending, again, 10, 20, sometimes 6 figures for these businesses, where I started for less than a couple $1,000 and boom, 6 figures in returns. Anyways, absolutely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the real cost to start and become a TikTok Shop affiliate. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.